I just wanted to show you my fix for replacing the hinges on my boiler door. You see these little cast aluminum things that basically the nuts that were bolted onto the door just popped out of the cast aluminum, and these are just way too small, I think, in my opinion, for the amount of weight that they have to carry. This boiler is about 5 years old, so the top hinge popped off, so I had to cut the bottom one off, and I replaced it with a stainless steel piano hinge, which you can see here. Doesn't match the door, but it will come springtime. We'll touch that up with some color match paint, and it'll look a little bit more industrial, in my opinion. So basically, this thing opens and closes the way it should now, but you can see the back side of the hinge there, but that's it. Closes the way it should and stays closed. So yeah, there you go. Easy as fishing.